Hello, student. I hope that you are fine, safe at home. Class 10 Health and Physical Education. Today's new chapter Fundamental of Anatomy, Physiology, and Kinesiology in Sports. Today's topic is Definition and Importance of Anatomy, Physiology, and Kinesiology. Human body is a wonderful machine. The human body has many systems such as skeletal, muscular, digestive, respiratory, nervous, excretory, reproductive, etc. These systems have numbers of organs such as heart, lungs, kidney, liver, etc., which perform different functions. All organs and system work together in a close coordinated manner. Anatomy and physiology are one of the branches of human biology which deal with the specific area of human body. Meaning of human anatomy. Anatomy is the study of shape and structure of the body of organisms or living beings. The word anatomy is derived from the Greek word ana and tomi, where ana means apart and tomi means to cut. Again repeat it. Anatomy is the study of the shape and structure of the body of organisms or living beings. The word anatomy is derived from Greek word ana and tomi, where ana means apart and tomi means to cut. Human anatomy is the study of structure, shape, size, weight, and location of all the organs of human body. Again, human anatomy is the study of structure, shape, size, weight, and location of all the organs of human body. A detailed knowledge of the structure of various systems of human body is provided in human anatomy. In the broadest sense, anatomy is the scientific study of morphology of the human body. Again repeat it. Anatomy, it is the broadest sense. Anatomy is the scientific study of the morphology of the human body. Human anatomy deals with the way the parts of humans from molecules to bones interact to form of a functional whole. Again repeat it. Anatomy is the scientific study of the morphology of the human body. Human anatomy deals with the way our parts human from molecules to bones interact to form a functional whole. There are two types of anatomy. Number one, macroscopic anatomy is the study of anatomical structure that can be seen by the naked eye. Again repeat it. Number one, macroscopic anatomy is the study of anatomical structures that can be seen by the naked eyes. But second, microscopic anatomy is the study of minute anatomical structures as assisted with a microscope. मीन्स माइक्रोस्कोपिक एनाटॉमी में क्या करते हो आप, नेक्ड आई, नंगी आंखों से देख सकते हो, बट माइक्रोस्कोपिक एनाटॉमी में क्या सकते हो, ऐसे माइन्यूट एनाटॉमिकल स्ट्रक्चर असिस्ट करने के लिए आप माइक्रोस्कोप की हेल्प लेते हो, तब आपको दिखाई देता है। क्लियर? डेफिनेशन ऑफ एनाटॉमी, देयर आर मेनी लीडर ऑफ physical education, health and physical education give definition of anatomy. Clear? The definition of many leaders. Number one, human anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body from the microscopic to the macroscopic. Clear? Again repeated, human anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body from the microscopic to the macroscopic. Clear? Number two, according to Greece, anatomy comprises a consideration of the various structures which make up the human organism. Again repeated, according to Greece, anatomy comprises a consideration of the various structures which make up the human organism. Number three and last, anatomy is the science of structure of the body and the relations of its parts. Means जो लास्ट डेफिनेशन है आपका क्या है, anatomy is the science of the structure of the body and the relation of its parts. एनाटॉमी एक विज्ञान है जिसमें आप क्या करते हो, शरीर के स्ट्रक्चर, शरीर के बनावट के बारे में और उसके शरीर के जो विभिन्न पार्ट्स हैं, जो भाग हैं, उनका क्या रिलेशन है, उसके बारे में अध्ययन करते हो, आप उसके बारे में स्टडी करते हो। क्लियर इट? A meaning of human physiology. So physiology is derived from the ancient Greek physics, means nature origin, and logia, which means study of. So it is the scientific study of function in living system. This includes how organ systems, organs, cells, and biomolecules carry out the chemical or physical functions that exist in living systems. Again repeated, physiology is derived from ancient Greek. Physics means nature, origin means nature and origin, and logia, which means study of. So we can say that it is the scientific study of function in living system. This includes how organs, organ systems, organs, cells, and biomolecules carry out chemical or physical functions that exist in a living system. Clear? And definition of physiology, there are many definition of physiology, just like a kinesiology. Clear? Just like anatomy. Human physiology is the science of mechanical, physical, and biochemical function of humans, their organs, the cells of which they are composed. Again repeated, Human physiology is the science of the mechanical, physical, and biochemical functions of humans, their organs, the cells of which they are composed. Clear? Second definition, physiology is the scientific study of an organism, vital functions, including growth and development, the the absorption and processing of nutrients, and synthesis and distributions of proteins and other organic molecules, and functioning of different tissues, organs, and other anatomic structures. Physiology studies the normal mechanical, physical, and biomechanical process of animals and plants. Again repeated, physiology is the scientific study of an organism, vital functions, including growth and development, the absorption and process of nutrients, the synthesis and distributions of proteins and other organic molecules, and the functioning of different tissues, organs, and other anatomic structures. Physiology studies the normal mechanical, physical, and biomechanical process of animal and plants. Clear it? And last definition, physiology is the study of the functioning of living organisms, animal or plant, and of the functioning of their constituent tissues or cells. Again repeated, physiology is the study of the functioning of living organisms, animal or plant, and of the functioning of their constituent tissues or cells. Clear it? And what is the importance of anatomy, physiology in physical education and sports? What is the importance of anatomy and physiology in health and physical education and sports? The description of the importance of anatomy physiology is mentioned below. Number one, anatomy provides knowledge of structure of various organs. Number one, anatomy provides the knowledge of structures of various organs. Human anatomy provides the detailed knowledge of structure of various organs of the body. We get the knowledge of structures, shape, size, location, and weight of organs of all the systems of the body. With the help of anatomy, we get the knowledge of the percentage of white fibers and red fibers and present in an individual. As a result of such knowledge, the teachers and coaches working in the field of physical education and sports, or health and physical education and sports, may easily select the sports according the traits of students. For example, weightlifting is more appropriate for short-sighted student in comparisons to volleyball or basketball, or comparison to volleyball and basketball. Clear? Number two, physiology provides the knowledge about the functions of various organs. Physiology provides the knowledge of capacities or capabilities of cardiovascular systems and various organs of the body. We also get detailed knowledge about the functions of nervous system, muscular system, and excretory system, etc. A physical trainer or coach should have a proper knowledge of physiology for giving the physical training to the student. Without having the proper knowledge of functions of various systems, The training impaired by a physical education teacher or health and physical education teacher or coach may be harmful for the student. No doubt, helpful in the selections of sports. So there are different type of sports, and each sports requires different types of anatomical structure. Similarly, individuals have a different types of physiological limits or capacities which are utilized in different types of sports and games. With the help of anatomy and physiology, we come to know the shape, size, or constitutions of different organs of the body and their functional capabilities. Again, repeat is helpful in the selection of sports. There are different types of sports, and each sports requires different types of anatomical structure. Similarly, individuals different types of physiological limits or capacities which are utilized in different types of sports and games. With the help of anatomy and physiology, we come to know the shape, size, or constitution of different organs of body and their functional capacities. Clear? Kinesiology. Kinesiology is used in the complementary health or natural medicine field. It may be understood as a system of natural health care which combines muscles monitoring with the principles of Chinese medicine to assess energy and body functions. Kinesiology is the science of energy balancing and is grounded in the enhance of learning in adults and the children. It boosts sports performance. Fundamental premises of kinesiology is that the body has initiate healing energy, and is at all time doing its best care for itself. Kinesiology kinesiology does not treat named diseases, nor does it diagnose them. Kinesiology is concerned with imbalance in the body's energy. Kinesiology practitioners undertake years of training to be able assess the movement of energy around the body and brain. Kinesiology encompasses a breadth of therapeutic aids, but the real goal of any balance is identify the cause of malfunctions and resolve it. Clear? And what is the importance of kinesiology in sports? What is the importance of kinesiology in sports? So there are many importance of kinesiology in sports or health and physical education. It is the branch of physiology the studies mechanics and anatomy in context with the movements of human body. Today, kinesiology is applicable to a number of fields in our economy. Some of the applications include physical education, rehabilitations, healthy promotion, health and safety, workplaces, sports, and exercise industries. The importance of kinesiology can be understood as following. Number one, kinesiology is the branch of science which helps to detect the major imbalance of our body, which otherwise cannot be detected even by the most modern medicines. Clear? Number two, it helps to maintain the psychological balance. Number three, learning disabilities in a child can be cured with the help of kinesiology. Number four, chakra healing, which is related to kinesiology, helps to stay calm and positive. It is similar to yoga. Thus, it helps in a treatment of problems like blood pressure, anxiety, depression, sleep disorder, autism, and pains. Clear? Number five, The kinesiology therapy help in the boosting self-confidence of a person. Number 6, it may also be helpful in stuttering, bedwetting, and clumsiness in children. Next, kinesiology treats overstress and anxiety. Next, it helps to cure back and neck pain. And last, movement of human body can be checked and treated using this science. Kinesiology works with the application of biomechanics and physiology. And thank you. Have a nice day.